Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen, and today we're gonna make banana flatters. So guys, here my ripe banana. I have 4. I did one before, so I'm gonna do the other one. And even when they are like this, guys, nothing is wrong with them. See, it's still nice inside. These are the perfect time to use them to make your fritters. You don't have to use too much sugar. You just have to just crush them. You use less sugar. So I'm going to use these 2. So I'm going to crush my bananas. And when they are well ripe, they are so easy to crush. You see, they are so easy. Okay guys, so now I'm finished crushing my banana. I'm going to add the sugar. I'm going to crush it a little bit. I just add ½ cup of sugar, not much. Add a little vanilla, that's a dash of vanilla, a little pinch of salt, a little, just 1 pinch of salt, just that. Stir it up again, and I love to put cinnamon in it. I'm going to add a dash of cinnamon, just a little bit, not too much. So now I'm going to add, I have 2 cups of flour in this, I'm going to add it half and half. Okay, so I add half of it and I'm going to stir. I'm using a wooden spoon because when I use the other spoon it makes so much noise. So when I use a fork it's making too much noise, so I'm using a wooden spoon so you have less noise. I'm going to add the other half. I'm going to add just a little tip of water. Some people add milk. I'm just adding a little tip of water. And if it's too dry, you make sure you add your water little by little. Don't add too much, so you have to go add more flour and more stuff. You just add it a little bit at a time. The consistency that you want. Don't make it too runny and don't make it too thick. You don't want to add too much one time, so it gets too watery. It's coming on now. Let me start it up. It's all good now. See? So you see the consistency you're looking for. This is a very good one. Not too thick and not too watery. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna wait until my pot is hot and I'm gonna start frying. Okay guys, so now my oil is hot. I'm gonna start putting them inside hot oil. I'm not making them too big because I want them to fry fast. When you make them too big, they don't fry so fast. And guys, when you have ripe banana, don't throw them away. If you even have one, you put it in the freezer until you have another one. You make banana bread, or you make banana fritters, or you make something. Don't throw them away. That's what I do sometimes. If I have one or two, I put it down until I have more, and I make something with it. So I'm just gonna make these fry a little bit, and then I turn them over for 2 minutes on one side and maybe 2 minutes on the other side, and I think everything will be fine. Okay guys, so now I'm turning this set. They're brown and nice. Color is very nice. And then after I've finished frying, I have my paper towel and my plate over here. Okay guys, I'm taking out this set. I'm gonna put another set. So I'm putting it on my paper towel to also dry out the little oil, extra oil on it. And I'm gonna put in a fresh set after. Okay guys, I'm putting in my second batch. Guys, I didn't put no baking powder in this or no baking soda, okay guys? There's no baking powder and there's no baking soda. This is a real Jamaican fritters, banana fritters. That's the way I make it when I used to grow up and I used to go to school. Okay guys, I'm making the last set. Next couple of minutes I'll finish and I'll show you the finished product. I will dish them out and show it to you guys. Okay guys, so we're gonna start turning the last set. I like the color, not too dark. All of my banana, two of my banana was very dark, but it still come out nice color. So okay guys, this is the last set. I'm on the paper towel making the extra oil, get out the extra oil. It's still left, it's not finished yet. Okay guys, this is the finished product of the banana fritters. Nice and brown. Look at it. Look at it. Nice and brown. So we're going to partake of this nice banana fritters. If you could come along and enjoy with us. Come along guys. We're going to have, come sisters, we're all going to have some fritters and enjoy the banana fritters. In our next video, it's a surprise. We'll show you what else we're going to come up with. Look at it. Wow. Isn't this excellent? Come on guys. And the video will be there. So like, share, subscribe. So we can afford to put up some more excellent videos. Okay guys? Come along and enjoy with us. Thank you.